Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim So-hyun's fortune analysis. I analyzed the fortune of Kim So-hyun with big eyes that are pure and thoughtful. I analyzed it at the request of an overseas YouTube subscriber. And the point was the living fortune. Let's analyze it together. The letters that pointed to herself in accordance with Kim So-hyun's image are candles. Candlelight is warm-hearted and thoughtful, like lighting a fire all night. The deep eyes look good on the image of the candle. Right next to the letter pointing to herself, there were two energies in the energy output. It's a pink heart, and the blue heart is the energy of the energy input. Looking at these two things, it looks like the fortune of an ordinary person who is so relaxed and stable that she spends a happy day without much else. This picture shows only three characters. This is how energy comes in and goes out, and it's very peaceful. A quiet figure, nothing special. There is only a process-oriented way of thinking that she can enjoy her day here and now without any particular goal consciousness. Up to here, it's a very innocent woman with a very pure beauty, and she likes to study her own field of expertise. But the point of this fortune is right next. Let's analyze it together. The letters are colliding with the quiet fortune. Energy control energy and energy like herself are in conflict. This collision gives life to Kim So-hyun's fortune. It gives a sense of purpose to a comfortable fortune. The pink heart gives an honorary-oriented psychology, helping Kim So-hyun's atmosphere to give off a somewhat noble and fascinating charm. However, since this letter is also connected to the energy of a husband or a boss, Kim So-hyun's husband and her boss will always be the ones who stimulate Kim So-hyun with strong advice. If she accepts it positively, there will be a good development. So it would be good to live in a receptive attitude. And the blue heart part is the same energy as her. She is in charge of confidence and drive. Kim So-hyun's fortune gives her a lot of competition. So looks quiet, but she is very competitive. So I look forward to Kim So-hyun's development in the future. Kim So-hyun's job role changed like this. After analyzing the points of fortune, her fortune has been changed to one that is good at new attempts with strong competitiveness. Attractive charm is added. Silence is never bad luck. However, I think it would be more advantageous to play various roles with such a point of fortune and psychological stimulation rather than quiet fortune to act as an entertainer. But in her fortune, energy focusing, that is the energy corresponding to her stage of activity, is too weak. This is because her stage of activities is narrow, so it is important to strengthen her active field by emphasizing her strengths. Since the fascinating atmosphere and deep eyes are attractive, Kim So-hyun will probably establish her own acting field well. I hope her develop and be happy in the future. Thank you. subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.